Halftime, AFC Championship, Patriots versus Broncos. Is this all you got? Broncos, is this all you got? Patriots, is this all you got? We want better game over here. Show us what you got. We want to see better performance over here. Both fans deserve better game over here. We want to see better game. This is championship game and Super Bowl on the line. We want to see better performance over here. D-May, throw better game over here. Sitram, throw better ball over here. We want to see better touchdown over here. We don't want all these fumbles over here. And May, we don't want all this fumble also. We want to see better game over here. We want to see better throw. We want to see better touchdown over here. Let's go. After coming up, Broncos, Patriots. Let's go. Let's go get it. After we want to see better game. We want to see a lot of touchdown. We want to see a lot of defense. We want to see a lot of offensive game over here. Let's go. After coming up, I love this game.